The Lab Profile YouTube channel. Hello, I'm Roger Bailey. I'm the developer of the Language and Behavior Profile, the Lab Profile. For decades, I have studied a simple but important question. Why do capable people perform well in some roles but struggle in others? What I discovered is that every person has their own consistent set of understanding, communication, operation, and motivation patterns. These patterns form what I call a person's thinking and operating architecture, their capabilities. This architecture influences how each person makes decisions, is motivated and stays motivated, responds to pressure, follows or resists procedures, and ultimately how they perform in a role. The Lab Profile is a set of interview questions which causes people to reveal their unique set of patterns linguistically. I started working on this concept in the 70s when I was on staff to the director of IBM's most popular mainframe operating system, and when I was working on my MS in social science in night school. Now, managers around the world use it to interview top performers in each role. Then they use those results to recognize which applicants for those roles have those same patterns and which don't. Managers, coaches, consultants, and trainers also use it to understand how to precisely motivate and influence each individual person. Over the decades, many hundreds of professionals around the world have learned and applied aspects of the Lab Profile in their work. On this channel, you'll find videos explaining why hiring interviews often fail, why some employees follow procedures and others resist them, and 16 other important pattern sets, how and why people operate and are motivated in all those different ways, how the Lab Profile reveals the patterns behind all these differences, how you can learn and use the Lab Profile. If you're interested in understanding the thinking architecture which drives behavior and performance, explore the videos here. If you want to download my free report, 5 Hidden Reasons Managers Hire the Wrong Person, you can find that link in this video's description. Thank you for visiting the Lab Profile channel, and I hope these insights I share with you here help you better understand how people think, work, and stay motivated, and what you can do about it.